Cynful Parmesan crusted chicken done in the air fryer. This is what you'll need, and there is a link to a printable recipe in the video description. We're going to start out with about a cup of mayonnaise, and we're going to add our Cynful Italian seasoning to it and just stir that up. This is going to be our glue on our chicken to keep that wonderful crust on. Next, we're going to add some panko to a cake pan or a pie pan, our onion powder and our garlic powder, that parsley. It's going to make it look so pretty. And last but not least, the Parmesan cheese. We're going to whisk that together so that it all gets all mixed in there. Let them get to know each other. All right, so go ahead and paint those chicken with the mayonnaise mixture, and I would do one at a time. And then dip it in that panko mixture with the parsley. Kind of press it down in there so that it sticks to that mayonnaise. And flip it over and do the same to the other side. And basically what I would do is I'd do these one at a time. Go ahead and cook the one that you just did before you do the next one. Spray the bottom of your basket with some olive oil spray. We've preheated that air fryer, so it's going to be nice and hot. And then spray the top. Once you put the chicken in, spray the top of it just really lightly. And go ahead and put it in your air fryer at 380 degrees for about 13 minutes. Now I added an extra minute on the end so you don't have to change it every single time you do the next one. So at 6 minutes, pull that chicken out and flip it over. Spray that new side that's up, again with that olive oil spray, and then put it right back in. Now we're going to let this go till it gets to 1 minute. And then I'm going to go ahead and pull this out. And then I'm going to take its temperature. We're going to temp the inside. We want it to be at least 165 degrees. And these air fryers vary, so make sure that you check it. You might have to adjust times. I put it over some garlic and butter pasta and sprinkled it with some parsley. And there it is. You can make it as a chicken parmesan as well if you put marinara on it. I'd like to thank you for joining me in my kitchen today for this wonderful garlic-crusted parmesan chicken. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It will really help me out and get my recipes out to the world. And as always, have a blessed day.